What's up guys, my name is James, and in today's video I want to talk to you about how you can make an absolute killing on Airbnb online experiences. Now when I say make a killing, I am not joking. There are literally people on Airbnb online experiences, which was just launched for the very first time earlier this year, just a couple months ago. There are people on there making upwards of $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 per month hosting their online experiences. It's absolutely booming in popularity with guests, and there are still relatively few hosts on the platform holding their own experiences. So there is a ton of opportunity to making a 4-figure, 5-figure monthly income from Airbnb online experiences if you offer the right experience and you set it up properly. I'm going to give you a couple of tips in this video for how you can set that up properly, and what I've seen are the best performing Airbnb online experiences out there right now and what really sets them apart, so you can use that to apply to your own if you want to earn some additional income. Now, before we dive into that, in case you're not familiar with what the Airbnb online experiences platform is, I'll give you a quick little rundown. Basically, it's where you can go as a host of an online experience and you can offer it to guests on the Airbnb platform. Now, an online experience can be any kind of experience you want. You can learn how to sing with burlesque dancers, for example. You can learn how to cook with Italians in Italy. You can learn how to do all kinds of things. You can go for virtual walks through Prague. Anything you could imagine, really, you can offer it. As long as you can logistically make it happen, you can offer it as an online experience on Airbnb. Now, the really cool thing here is that it's completely online. Airbnb Experiences is the in-person, face-to-face version of this that's been around for a while now, but online experiences came about when everything went online. Airbnb adapted, and since then, the platform has taken off quite a bit. And again, like I said, there's still relatively little competition on there from actual hosts of these types of experiences, so the opportunity is still ripe for you to get in there and get an opportunity set up, an experience set up that people are going to absolutely love. So what I'm going to talk about are a couple of key factors that I've seen help Airbnb online experience to perform the best. Now, before I do that, if you like this video, if you get value from it, then please take a half a second and just click that like button in the bottom corner there. It helps me out tremendously with YouTube's algorithm. So just take a quick half a second before we dive into it and just click that like button. Now, to get started with, the one thing that I've seen as a trend amongst a lot of the top performing Airbnb online experiences is education. Now, you want to make this fun. You don't want the main focus to be education, but you want to kind of give some people an opportunity to learn something while they're there at your experience in a really fun and entertaining way. So for example, there are a lot of cooking classes or cocktail classes that are doing exceptionally well on the platform. And along with this, people want an authentic cultural experience. After all, the whole ethos of Airbnb is to live like a local everywhere that you go. And so understandably, the people on the platform want some kind of a cultural experience. And so if you can have a class that shows people an experience showing people how to make authentic Mexican cocktails with mezcal and all these fun ingredients, that would do really well. And as proof of that, there's a really great online experience that's doing quite well right now, doing exactly that. There are a couple of Italian men who were running an an in-person experience showing people how to cook Italian pasta, the old-fashioned way. And they have since converted that into an online experience, and it's doing exceptionally well also. So something that you can do where you're educating people in some way about something that you're passionate about and about something that in some way gives them a bit of a cultural experience and can allow them to feel a little bit more like they're traveling and seeing different parts of the world, that is something that people are really craving right now in all of this craziness. And so if you can offer something like that, it will likely do very, very well for you. Also, if you have any kind of a unique skill or a unique talent that you can share with the world, now is a great time to start opening that up as an online experience. Case in point, there are some burlesque dancers that are now offering some really cool online experiences and are showcasing it in a really, really fun way. This has been actually the #1 top performing Airbnb online experience, and I actually read online, I'm not sure the credibility of this, haven't actually looked at the numbers myself, but I read online that they actually pulled in over $80,000 in a single month. Imagine that. Now that is a really, really successful online experience. It doesn't get much better than that, being able to do something that you're genuinely passionate about, share that with other people, and make a killing doing it. So I would really encourage you to look for a couple of key things when you're starting up an online experience. #1 is if you can train people, teach people, show some people a new skill that they can then go and practice and use, that has a lot more longevity to it than just a one-time entertainment for them. If you teach someone how to make pasta, they can make pasta, the next weekend, the weekend after that, when their family comes over the holidays. So it's kind of an experience that keeps on giving. Also, if you can give them some kind of a cultural experience along with that, a lot of people are really craving some outside experiences, some travel. We want to go out and see the world, a lot of us. And so in the absence of the ability to do that, being able to really get exposed to a new culture and some of the key points of a new culture, like for example, cocktails or food or wine, things like that, that can be a really, really cool draw for your experience as well. And then third, keep it entertaining. Make sure it's fun. Make sure it's something that people want to spend their time doing. No one wants to listen to a dry instructor going through step by step how to make the pasta. They want to have the experience of living like a local, of actually, really experiencing what it's like to be in the kitchen with that passionate Italian chef who's making the pasta. So keep it educational, keep it entertaining, and have some culture baked into it so that people can really get that itch of theirs scratched that they want to be able to travel. Again, if you want to build a business, if you want to learn more about Airbnb, you want to earn a full-time income managing properties on Airbnb, that's really what we discuss on most of our videos. I wanted to put this fun video together because I see a huge, huge opportunity with Airbnb online experiences that I wanted to share with you. But if you're interested in hosting your own property on Airbnb or learning how to earn a full-time income managing other people's properties on Airbnb without investing any money into rent, into purchasing properties, any of that, check out the links down in the description below. We've got some free trainings there that'll walk you through everything step by step. As always, if you did like this video, if you got value from it, please give it a quick like. Just hit that like button. It really helps me out a lot. If you're new to the channel here, consider subscribing. Just press that subscribe button there and you'll be notified when we post new videos twice every single week. Until the next video, I hope that you do exceptionally well. I hope that everything is going great for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.